Hey there. Thanks for watching my 100K cash site review by Chris X, Daniel Lurie, and Mustak Ahammed, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This 100K cash site review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into the dashboards myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research the platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when our next video comes out. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what 100K cash site promises us. It's the world's first 2-in-1 bundle, affiliate site builder and funnel suites. And this should be called a 2-for-1 bundle, not a 2-in-1 bundle. Because the first one is actually the 100K cloner. And if you scroll down, you can see the second one is going to be cash funnels. It's not until you get about a quarter of the way down the page that you actually figure out they really are giving you two separate platforms. So they really are just going to give you 100K cloner and cash funnels. And if we look at their testimonials, they're all done by fellow product creators and vendors, so they couldn't even find real users to give them testimonials on these products. Both of these products have previously been released. 100K Cloner was released in May of 2021, and if we look at this vendor, you can see these are all of the products that he has released, and he releases these products over and over again and makes money off of them. He doesn't actually use these products to make money. And if we take a look at cash funnels, it actually came out in July of 2021. And if we take a look at them on Warrior Plus, they've only sold about 243 of these. So the sales haven't been great on this one since it's been launched. Let's take a look inside the first dashboard. Here we are in the 100K cloner. When it was launched in May, it did not have any training. And here again, they haven't added any training. If you wanted to create a site to see what this looks like, I am currently using the review access and it will not let me create a site. So I can't take you through this walkthrough, but if you want to see a walkthrough on this, be sure to check out my review for 100K Cloner linked above. Let's just take a look at the site that it makes for you. So here is the affiliate product review site that 100K Cloner makes for you. They give you empty stars, so there's no ratings in here. It looks kind of jumbled. It's just product after product, and it really is just a list of all your affiliate products. Even if we scroll down, there's not a whole lot more down there. And we can take a look at the site that I made back in May when this came out. So it looks very similar to the one we were just looking at. It has less products because I didn't choose as many, but this website looks the same as the other one. And all of the websites made with 100K Cloner look like this. So there's nothing unique or original about them. In 100K Cloner, the products that they give you to choose from are mostly ClickBank products. The reason vendors tell you to use ClickBank is because there is typically no wait for approval to promote the affiliate products. There's also another cool platform out called Digistore24, and there's also no wait for approval with their products. If you're interested in that, feel free to check out our playlist above where Kim goes through picking out products and actually promoting them. And what's the strategy with 100K Cloner? They want you to make an affiliate product review website and then send this link to your current existing social media lists because they are not giving you any new traffic with 100K Cloner. You will have to send this out to your current existing social media lists on the platforms available here. Do you have a list of people that know you do affiliate marketing and want to buy recommendations from you on Twitter or WhatsApp or Tumblr? If you sent this link out right now to your list on Twitter, would it go to your friends and your family? Because if it doesn't go to people that know you do affiliate marketing and want to buy from you, you are not going to make any sales with this website. It will never get seen. Let's take a look at cash funnels. Once you get into cash funnels, you can go to the help section on the bottom or on the right. This is your training, and all of it is just 4 to 5 paragraphs of a little bit of basic affiliate marketing definitions for you that doesn't really answer a lot of questions. There is also no support on this platform at all. So if you needed any help, you've got to figure out where to reach out for support. The first thing you'll want to do is come down to your integrations. You will need to have an account with the platform that your product is promoted on. So if you choose a ClickBank product, you'll need an account with them. And if you choose a Warrior Plus product, you'll need an account with them. Once you enter the information that they are asking for, next you will want to integrate an autoresponder. They give you 3 options and you'll need one of these to integrate it with CashFunnels. Next, you'll want to check out your account and footer link. This is where you would put your terms of service, your privacy policy, and your affiliate disclaimer. So that's nice to see because I rarely see that on some of these platforms. And if you do not have an autoresponder, you will need to come in here to email DNS and set up your from address domain. Next, you'll go to done for you offers. Here is where you can see the 4 different types of pages that CashFunnels allows you to make. You can make a squeeze campaign, a bonus page campaign, a CashFunnels campaign, or a lead generation campaign. The bonus page campaigns don't actually collect any emails, but the lead generation campaign does. As you scroll down, you can see these are actually lead magnets. And if we look at the question mark for help next to it, it tells us that CashFunnels lead magnet software permits other people to generate leads for you by giving away their services. They collect their leads, and at the same time, all the leads will load into your autoresponder. Now, the people giving these emails don't know that you're getting them, so I would be very careful how you choose to use those. The CashFunnel campaigns can be found in the squeeze campaign, so let's take a look at this last section. These are all of the products that you will need to get an affiliate link for to promote, whether it's through Warrior Plus, where you have to wait for approval. JV Zoo, you also have to wait for approval most of the time. And you can scroll down, but they do have a filter up here. So if we take a look at the ClickBank products, we'll just choose Scribble. The first step is actually to enter your subdomain name. I've already done XYZ1 for this. And after you enter that and it saves, it brings you to this page. Now you need to generate a link. And if you look at the question mark here, you need to go to Udemy and purchase solo ads. Once you do that, you'll have your link and your price that you're paying, and you would click buy traffic. As we scroll down, they do give you a video about Udemy traffic and purchasing solo ads. And if we take a look at the training that they gave us on that, for the price I'm going to spend on solo ads, I certainly want more than 5 or 6 bullet points to explain to me how they are targeting their traffic. Solo ads are not cheap. And if you don't know what you're doing, it is a fast way to lose a lot of money. Without putting that link in, let's take a look at the page I made. So here's the opt-in page that CashFunnels made for us. I don't see anything wrong with this actual page, but without any training, I don't know if this is going to work without me purchasing solo ads. If we go back to CashFunnels platform, if you decide not to purchase solo ads, they do give you the option to share here to get instant traffic. And if we take a look at this, here we are looking at our social media options again. And some of these don't even make sense. Evernote is a note-taking app. Flipboard is a news magazine app. And I'm not even sure why BLM is on here. If by some chance you do get an email using this opt-in page, CashFunnels does give you email swipes. If you have an autoresponder connected, you will need to download these email swipes. If you don't, CashFunnels will start an email sequence on your behalf, and you can't see the emails. And if you don't have an autoresponder connected, there's also nowhere in here to see any of the leads you have collected. So what's the strategy with CashFunnels? It's to make a landing or an opt-in page and then either purchasing solo ads to drive traffic to it or sharing it on your current existing social media lists to collect emails and start an email sequence. But if you guys already have an autoresponder like Aweber, if you scroll down to their features, they give you unlimited landing pages and templates, even for the free plan. So if you have an autoresponder, you're not going to need CashFunnels to get started with this strategy of sending out opt-in pages before your sales page. So what's the strategy 100K Cash Sites is trying to get you to use? Because there's no training that pulls these 2 programs together, you won't actually figure that out because they never tell you how to connect this page to your opt-in page. But here's a pro tip. Make sure your access button has the URL in it for your opt-in page, and it will take them straight to this opt-in page and then to the sales page. And that is how you would use these two together. So my biggest problem with 100K Cash Site is the lack of training. And if you guys are interested in honest and ethical training that will put all of these pieces together for you, be sure to head down to our instant access link in the description below, where we found the best success with the strategy we chose to use. And guys, if you're in need of a website, Kim has a video linked above, and I actually put a link in the description where she gives you helpful information on how to get a free affiliate marketing website to use. And together with the free Aweber plan, you guys could do something similar to the strategy that we use on our website. We have tons of reviews done on our website, and in most of those articles, we have affiliate links. Once you click on that link, it does take you to an opt-in page, and then you get sent to our sales page, and you could do all of that on your own without 100K Cash Sites. Let's take a look at the pricing. On the front end, 100K Cash Site is going to run you $17. Upsell number 1 is 52 done-for-you funnels at $47. Upsell number 2 is a 100K lead system for $29. Upsell number 3 is a done-for-you email marketing. This is only good for 12 months at $197. So you will have to pay this yearly. Upsell number 4 is 100K Enterprise at $997. And upsell number 5 is your reseller rights at $497. All total, 100K Cash Sites is going to run you $1,737 plus the extra cost of solo ads that they did not tell you about on the sales page, and an extra $197 per year to keep the done-for-you email marketing on upsell number 3. Guys, there is nothing new about this. It is not a 2-in-1 bundle. It is a 2-for-1 bundle. They've taken 2 previously released products and literally copy and pasted the sales page together and just sold you both of them. Please don't waste your time, your money, or your efforts on 100K Cash Sites. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And I really hope that this 100 Cash Site review answered all of your questions. If it didn't, drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching!